Welcome to BestusefulTips. I will show you how to change the notification sound on Pixel 8 Pro device. Open the app Store on your device. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down. Tap on the Sound and Vibration. Again scroll. Here you can see default notification sound. Tap on it. By default, you can see different category. Tap any category and choose a notification sound. If you want to share custom notification sound, tap on My Sounds. Now tap on a plus icon at the bottom right and select the tone you want to add. When you select any tone from your device, you can see add in this section notification sound. Just select the tone, tap on a save at the top right to change notification sound or set a custom notification sound on your device. You can also individually change app notification. I go to apps, see all apps. Now select the app you want to change the app notification on your device. Here we select the Flipkart, tap on it. Now tap on the notifications. Here you can tap any notification you want to change like this. Now here you can find sound section on all any app on your device. Now choose a notification sound or a custom notification sound. That's it. Please like it, share it.